It's not you, Anita, is a lie. I can't believe this, Anita, is a lie. I never know she's this soft. Alright, please. There's a share sweet there. There's additional sweet. People get ready. Now you better shoot before the crocodile vomit something. Thank you. Thank you. But I'm going to chop and come back. Thank you very much. See them now, they will break it down. She did that. And the supervisor. Wonderful. Thank you. Okay, the Mr. UST from Africa. Let that take place. We want to see Calabari display. We want to see Calabari display. Are you a Christian in the house? Are you sure you're a Christian? I see that spirit of the people. Come out on the bottom. Come out of shackles. You know the phone now when you reach house before. That man of God. How many of you are ready to see Kalabari display? Huh? You want to see Kalabari? I'm going to run an opportunity to find out now. 600. I want to ask one question. Just ask this one question. Okay, we say that man get sense, person that man get sense. Now the same people who vote the women, I don't vote the same APC. Now the same APC. I want to ask this question well. Man and woman who get sense pass? Woman. I divide the small pass. Man and answer now. Man and woman who get sense pass? Okay, who get important pass? No, I don't talk important. Everybody go important. I want to ask who get sense pass. Who get sense pass? You say? Okay, now ask like 5 women. Like this woman, I don't other woman. Man and woman. Who get sense pass? She just stand down and answer you. Okay, this is start to make an answer. Man and woman who get sense pass? Woman. Okay, but without this boss, man, woman no go dey now. You, man and woman who get sense pass? Man, you know say men go choose. Wait, man ask president. I will tell you. Wait, man ask president. President, man and woman who get sense pass? Na woman. No. Man give una the answer. Your farm base dey increase. Man give una the answer. Man tell una the truth. The truth be say na woman na get sense pass. Man tell you how. Yes. How? When God create heaven and earth, which person first create? Man, wetin be name? Adam. Then Adam come dey for where? Garden of wetin? He come dey control all the animals and all the plant tree. He dey naked dey plant tree. Then God come say Adam say Adam, amen. You don suffer too much. We dey call wetin? Helper. Abi? Pikin na dey wonder where Adam dey climb tree. Na dey come create wetin? Eve from where? From Eve. They no create am from sand, they create am from Eve. Okay. Eve don dey, don dey follow am dey cook, dey blow fire. Dey cook, Eve dey clear the house well. Adam dey go dey pursue lion. Adam dey run go. Na one thing wey dem dey call snake abi Satan. Contempt
And for the Bible, the way that history that go, if confess chop the apple. If chop like 5 times, I don't see her reach my back. I don't see her. She don't see Adam, who's that? Adam don't like the pushing out of the boy. And I don't start. Okay, that is saying I be Adam now. I don't chop apple. See what now they miss. And you're busy. No, I think you're busy running around. I know say leave the ghetto by force for all the young. He go kick you. Now what the match between me? It's what are the goals? This is the way the Lord of God did it. He's following. The first position, the best position for indigene in participating performance, they have 29, and that is the National Union of Ogoni Students. In Italy, they have 39.
Yes, SUG final day, it's day 6. Dema Baku, Press Group, Department of Mass Communication, Radio UST. Yes, we promised you live coverage of the SUG week, and we've done just that. Here with me is the Chief Press Secretary to the SUG government, Mr. Paul. Mr. Paul, how are you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
Well, I would like to get your thoughts. For the non-indigenous section, the Igbo tribe came out victorious. For the indigenous section, Ogoni came out victorious. Does this come as a shock to you? Did you expect these two tribes to win?
I think the tribes, from all indications, did very well, and I think it won't come as a surprise to me, because when someone does something very well, there is no need for you getting surprised. You only get surprised when the person doesn't meet up the standard. But where the person meets the standard which is prepared, I think it's nothing of a surprise.
So you're saying you expected these two tribes to be respectively?
Given their display, I expected them to emerge winners.
Okay, well, it's day 6 of the SUG week. It's the final day. Well, how will you evaluate the SUG week? What will you say about the SUG week so far?
The SUG week has been a very good one. Right from the first day, the turnout of the students has been very good, in spite of the fact that we weren't given the full week as is the tradition. Some people actually had lecture and a test were actually going on, but in spite of this, students still had a time. They still shows how serious how students take the union. They take it very serious and they take it very important. And I think this had a lot of role to play in this SUG week. So far, I would say the SUG week has been very good, and I think the success of this SUG week is largely due to the passion the students have shown towards it.
One last question, what will you say about the outgoing administration led by Professor Fakai?
This administration has been very good. So far, we know that infrastructural-wise, the school has developed very well. We know that there is no more strike. Once you gain admission, you are sure of graduating at the end of 4 years, if it's a 4 years course, and if it's a 5 years course, at the end of 5 years. And equally, you look at the area of this technological development. You equally look at this area of in the hostel we have a constant light supply, we have a water supply. And before I equally go, I would like to commend the press crew of mass communication. I would say you guys have done very well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
It's been the press crew, Department of Mass Communication. Thank you. Yes, I'm live here with a participant for the cultural day. Young man, what's your name?
My name is Danisi Miano.
Danisi, which tribe did you perform?
Ogoni.
Wow, Ogoni, and yes, I know you're happy. Congratulations to you. Ogoni came out victorious for the cultural day. That's the were you expecting Ogoni to win this one?
No, because when I saw other cultural attire, I'm sure also.
Wow. So who will you say deserve to win this one? I mean, based on what you saw, based on the display, who will you say deserve to win this particular cultural? Or you say yes,
So at least you do a good dance, everything. At least I feel something. Not the second or third about that.
and I heard this is your first time participating. How does it feel?
Oh, I'm very surprised. I was nice. It showed that I enjoyed everything.
So one final question. How did you enjoy the SUG week?
Okay, now, no fight, nothing violent.
Well, this young man has said it, there was no violence in the SUG week. Had fun bringing you this coverage. It's the Pressview Department of Mass Communication. Thank you.
Alright people, a very good evening to you all. Well, we've really come to the end of this wonderful edition of the Student Union Government Week. It is the day 6 and today also being the grand finale. As you can see, people are so very excited. Today in the cultural display, we saw the Igbos emerging as the winner of the non-indigenous cultural display. And
yes, the Igbos emerged the winners of the non-indigenous cultural display. As for the indigenous section, Ogoni emerged as the winners for the Ogoni section.
Well, it is on this note we say a very big thank you to you for being there for us. We promise to give you a live coverage of this epoch-making event, and successfully we've been able to do this from Monday up to this day. We've been able to bring you an update of events taking place in this wonderful Student Union Government led by Comrade Mene Adetrust. Of course, it's going to be the last for his administration, as well as the last for our amiable Mr. Vice Chancellor, Professor Barinebe Pakai. We love you and thank you for believing in us. Thank you for watching. And on that note, I hand over to my colleague.
It's been the Pressview Department of Mass Communication, Radio UST. See you next time.
Radio UST, we want to thank every member of this crew, wonderful crew that made this possible. So the HOD, Department of Mass Communication, of course not forgetting the President of the Student Union Government, Comrade Mene Adetrust. From all of us, we love you all. Thank you.